Welcome! In this video, I will be taking you through the income analysis area of Synaptic Analyser. The income analysis section allows you to build a comprehensive view of your client's income requirements and compare the best products to help you decide where to place your client's drawdown investment. We will start by loading up your client details within the client module. As we are going to input our client's details through the income analysis section, you are able to add holdings and income sources, which will then pull through to your research. As you can see, I have added my client's plans within the holdings area and have also added their income sources. This is not mandatory, and you can add these options from scratch within the research. There are additional videos available on our knowledge base covering on how to add these. Within the Analysis tab at the top of the screen, you will see two options. Today we'll be going through the Income Analysis tab. This journey allows you to build a comprehensive view of your client's income requirements. If you know your client's income needs, see the video covering product comparison within our knowledge base. This will take you directly into the product comparison screen. There are 5 key steps to the income analysis process: adding your client's goal details, adding their plans, their income requirements, other income they may have, as well as the annuity comparison screen. The goal name must be unique and allows you to differentiate between goals within the retirement income goals area. The drawdown start can either be by age or a date. This field will automatically calculate using ONS statistics. This will use the client's date of birth and gender to calculate their forecast life expectancy. This field is required but can be overwritten. For this example, our client is not liable to Scottish tax rules. The review date will automatically add a date of a year's time, but this can be amended. Next, we have the annual fund growth rate. This is the value you believe is a realistic rate the drawdown policy will grow. This figure is used in the calculations and will be pulled through to the comparison journey. Advisor charges will be pre-populated based on what is set against the chosen service level. The service level must be selected against the client in the client module for these to pull through. If no service level has been selected for the client, you can overwrite these figures. Provider product charges are needed to calculate the charges coming out of the drawdown product. Entering these details will give you an idea of how achievable the income profile is. You can add them as individual charges or as a reduction in yield figure. There are 2 routes through the income analysis area. For this demo, we will be going through the first option. This allows you to input everything step by step. The second option will take you directly through to the results page, where you can build everything through there instead. To view the information on this option, please see the video Completing Income Analysis through the results page. This can be found on our knowledge base. Now we've completed the goal area, we can now add the details of our client's existing plans. The financial calculators will help you determine the value of your plans when the client is going into drawdown. Before we add the plans, we will need to set the income strategy. The system allows you to choose 2 income strategies, either PCLS or UFPLS. If you select PCLS, the system will take out the percentage of the PCLS specified and remove it from the income calculations. UFPLS will keep the total plan values invested in the drawdown plan. When income is taken from the drawdown plan, 25% of the income withdrawn will be tax-free. This will be taken into account when calculating the tax liability. For this example, I will select PCLS. Anytime you see the eye icon throughout the system, you can hover over the button to view further information. To add our client's details, click on Add Additional Plan. As I have already set up the plans within the holding area, I can pull them through here. If a holding is not listed, Click Add New Plan and complete the details. Once you have added all the plans, you can set how much tax-free cash your client is taking. It is automatically set to 25%, but this can be overwritten. And once done, click Continue. This will take you through to the income requirement screen. Here you can choose from a level income, which allows you to specify a regular annual withdrawal amount to be taken over the term, or profile income, which allows you to fully profile your client's income needs using regular and single amounts. We will be using profiled income. For example, our client may need $15,000 a year for the first 15 years. Then at the age of 75, they may have to go into a care home, which could be a total of $50,000 a year. If your client thinks they would take a one-off payment at some point in the term, you can add this as a single payment. Our client may take $20,000 out at 67 for a new car. Once completed, click Continue. We are now at the fourth step of the process, Other Income. State pensions will automatically be included in the calculation, but can be deselected. If your client has an additional state pension, tick this box and complete the details. Your client may have other income you would like to include in the analysis. Select Add Other Income to be included. These are pulled from the Income Sources area of the Client module. If you would like to add them directly in here, just click Add New Other Income. I will be selecting the Defined Benefit Scheme and Add. We can now continue through to the Add Annuity stage. To add an annuity income into the results, you must first link your Webline account. This is found under the Webline tab at the top of the screen and within the Account Details tile. Once linked, every piece of Analyser research will automatically provide you with an annuity quote. The figure returned will be the best indicative annuity income available from the panel of annuity providers. If you already have an annuity quote, you can override this figure by checking the box. If you think your client will benefit from an enhanced annuity quote, you can link through to Webline Annuity Service here. We can now continue on to the results page. The results page is where you can see the input details and whether the desired income profile can be achieved. The summary area on the left-hand side shows all the details used in the calculation. These can be then amended, removed, and you can even add additional information. Each time a change is made, the system recalculates the results. The income value graph will show you if the income required has been met for each year of the goal. If you hover over a year, it will show you the breakdown of the income requirements for that year. The values input into the system are based on net figures. The system will determine how much will need to be withdrawn from the drawdown fund to satisfy the net income requirement, factoring in the other income and the tax that would be paid. If you would like to recalculate the graph to show the gross income and the effects of inflation, you can toggle them here. You will then see a series of boxes. The first is the investment required to get the desired income. If the income profile has not been achieved for the term as seen above, the value shown is the investment needed to meet the income needs of the client. The maximum level of income is how much income can be taken if based on level income over the term. If you set the income requirements to this figure, the drawdown plan will aim to reach a final value of 0 by the end of the term. The final box is the indicative annuity value. This will show either the Webline Annuity Service or the overridden value. The fund value graph will show you how much remains in the fund until the end of the goal. You can view the fund value for each year by hovering over the bars of the graph. Once you are happy with your results, you can now produce a report. The report will outline all details of your scenario and will also include the income value and fund value graphs. This report will then be saved against the goal within the client module. If you would like to export the chart data, you can export them here. Once you've achieved the desired income profile, you can either end your scenario or move on to the product comparison area. The Compare Products area is covered within the video Product Comparison. This can be found on our knowledge base. Thank you for taking the time to view the video today. If you'd like to look at any other videos, you can find them on our knowledge base. Thank you.